us apart. We can't live together if it's gonna keep us apart. At first I thought we knew what love was all about, but baby, since you moved in, happiness moved out. It seemed like living together is keeping us apart. We used to be just like honey and bees, but since we snow in each other's face, it seems my love going to waste. This may seem very odd, but living together's keeping us apart. Living together is what lovers dream about. That's what we thought we wanted and couldn't live or die. In the game of love, breaking the rules seem to be our mistake, but our magic dream of love is faded, and now we're wide awake. I have all of you, and you have all of me, but together we have nothing, and that's not the way it should be. It may seem very odd, but living together is keeping us apart. We can't live together if they're gonna keep us apart. We can't live together, yeah, yeah. We can't live together if it's gonna keep us apart. We can't live together. You know, there have been a lot of stories told about the big city of New York. I have my own story to tell, and I want you to dig it. I've heard men say there's not a lonely night or day in New York City. Oh no, pretty girls everywhere when you're on Times Square in New York City. Oh yeah, but there's only one girl there for me, and ooh, I loved her so. But the little girl walked out on me for someone she wanted more. Oh, oh, my baby was alright till she saw the bright lights in New York City. Yeah, it's sad to say, but she went astray in New York City. Oh yes, she did, and that's why I had to leave her there. Just couldn't take it no longer, and I'm gonna ride this old Greyhound south until my heart gets stronger. Oh, gotta leave you, New York. Oh, I gotta leave you, New York. But I'll be back someday. Yeah, yeah, with a smile on my face. Yes, I will. The bus driver says I must get off in Miami, 'cause that's far as it goes. Yeah, with my heart in despair, where will I go from there? Maybe Key West, but there's one thing I do know. I gotta leave you, New the corner just the other day. Two cats were rapping, and I heard one say, "Say, man, I married this chick across town. And a day after the wedding, I caught her getting down." I just stood there with my mouth open, not believing what I heard. When I asked the cat what he did, this was his very words. He said, "If it was good enough for my daddy, I kind of figured it would be good enough for me." He said, "If it was good enough for my daddy, I just knew it'll be good enough for me." Yeah, yeah. One night I decided to follow my old man, 'cause the way my mom rapped about him, he had a master plan. He had to turn me on to this chick so mom wouldn't find out. And if mom ever asked me about it, this what you'd hear me shout. I said, "Mom, if it was good enough for daddy, I kind of figured it would be good enough for me. If it was good enough for my daddy, I just knew it'll be good enough for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If it was good enough for my daddy, it's good enough for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. If it was good enough for my daddy, if it was good enough for my daddy, it was good enough. It was good enough for me. To tell you the truth, it was good to both of us. Operator, give me Los Angeles, Plaza 63789. You better make it collect, 'cause I haven't got but a dime. Tell her please, operator, to accept my call. Tell her please, accept my call. I got to make things up with her and tell her that I'm sorry, yeah. It seemed like only yesterday I was home with my baby, but I traded a true love away for maybe for someone that seemed as sweet as honey, but she beat me for all my money. Stranded here in Georgia, and it's beginning to rain again. I wanna talk to my baby and tell her what a fool I've been. So tell her please, operator, accept my call. Tell her please, accept my call. I wanna make things up with her, so she'll forgive me for the wrong I've done. Oh, when it comes to my sweet baby, there's no one better. But I'm afraid it'll take too long if I write her a letter. I gave in to the temptation I was fighting for someone that I thought was exciting. But now I know that there's no place like home. I'm just hoping and praying she won't say that the thrill is gone. Oh yeah. Operator,
The truth is something people fear more than anything in the world.
I wanna tell you about it. Why do people feel the truth? It seems like no one wanna hear the truth. I said, why do people feel the truth? It seems like everyone's afraid of the truth. Oh yeah. Some people say the truth is the light, but when you lay it on them, they wanna fuss and fight. Tell someone a lie and they'll believe you, but tell them the truth and they'll surely deceive you. You can tell your best friend his woman is doing wrong, but you might as well be looking down that barrel of a gun. I saw my friend's lover sneaking out, but when I told him what I saw, he went and hit me in my mouth. Yeah! Lord have mercy. Truth is good. But the truth is also hell. Oh, the truth is the way. That's what everybody say. But if you try to tell, you got hell to pay. Everyone's afraid of the truth. No one wanna hear the truth. No one wanna hear the truth. I never forget that day that I met Ruby and the things that she's done loves you right across the street, and as good as him or better. Your girls are always chasing guys with a million girls, when there's a guy right next door who'll give you the whole wide world. Beware and don't get burned. Look for love in return. If you want a guy who won't even be your friend, girl, forget about who you want and get who you can. A one-sided love affair is bound to end. So if you can't love who you want, then love who you can. Your girls go out with guys because of the clothes they wear, but you're just like a kid on a merry-go-round. You just ain't getting nowhere. Your girls run around and rap on guys because you think they're mellow, but there are guys who you ignore who give anything to be your fellow. So beware before you get burned. Look for love in return. If you dig a guy who won't even be your friend, forget about who you want and get who you can. Girls, a one-sided love affair is bound to end. So forget about who you want and get who you can. Oh yeah. I was on my way home after a night out of fun. I was just walking along smiling to myself, thinking about the things I had done, when I saw a crowd of people outside of my house. All of a sudden, my heart came into my mouth. A policeman walked up to me and with face as cold as ice, he said, "Mr. Reid, I got some bad news for you. It's concerning your wife." Then he handed me the suicide note that she had left. That's when I realized I had only hurt myself. The note read, "You didn't stay home with me tonight, and I needed your loving arms, oh honey, to hold me tight." She said I couldn't go on living this way, being without your sweet love, oh, both night and day, oh baby. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, my sweet baby is gone, and I realize that is all my fault, because I should have stayed home. She would always say, "Please stay home with me tonight. I need your warm, loving arm, yes I do. Oh baby, to hold me tight." She said I can't go on living this way, being without your sweet love, oh, both night and day. That's what she said. I'm sitting here looking at her grave, tears falling from my eyes. I think about all the things I should have done, but too late. I realize I keep hearing a voice saying, "Please stay home with me tonight." She said I need someone's arm, yes I do, to hold me tight. She said I can't go on living this way, days. Everywhere I look, I can see her sad little face. I remember all those nights that I should have stayed home. She would always be waiting out all alone, saying, please stay home with me tonight. She said, I need your loving arm, yes I do, to hold me tight. She said, I can't go on living this way, being without your love, honey, both night and day. Baby, I'm sorry, sorry, baby. Here I am on my job, trying to work, but the tears in my eyes won't let me hide the hurt. I wonder where you are, baby, but I know what you are doing. If you don't treat me right, baby, your love's gonna be my ruin. I pretend that I'm sick so I can leave and look for you. Why don't you come on home, baby? Stop making me blue. Tear down the dam you build between us and let your love for me flow like running water. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, baby. Let it flow, baby. Oh, oh. Just let it flow. Here I am with the phone, giving you another call, but the phone just rings and rings. I guess you just don't care at all. Once again, you're not home, baby, like so many times before. If you don't stop dogging me around, baby, I'm gonna have to let you go. My heart is a lonely world without your love every night. You're gonna make me do wrong, baby, if you don't do right. So tear down the dam you build between us and let your sweet love for me flow like running water. Let it flow, let it flow, baby. Let it flow, baby. Woo. Just let it someone else. Whoa, whoa, baby, it hurts me so. Whoa, whoa, why don't you just love me, baby? Whoa, whoa, like you did before. Turn on the dam you build, so your sweet love for me can flow like running water. Oh, let it flow, baby. Let it flow, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, 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 baby. See, I need you, darling. Where are you, baby? what you were doing, baby. Your sweet love gonna be my ruin. Listen, baby. Do you know what you're doing to me, darling? You're gonna destroy a good man, baby. Oh, I search the street at night, looking for someone to make me feel alright. But you see, how can I love someone else when I need you, baby? How can I kiss someone else when I need you, baby? How can I love someone else when I love you, baby? Oh, baby. Baby. Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, I heard someone say once upon a time, they said, well, you can't love the one you love the one you with. But I don't need nobody but you, baby. I don't want nobody but you. I just can't love nobody but you.
Baby, come on, baby. Why don't you love me, baby?
Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, baby. Come on back home, baby.
Where you belong, baby.
I just can't wait for you to walk your fine, sweet self to that door and grab me in your arms and kind of squeeze me like you did before. You can lay your head on the ground, baby, and you'll hear my heart beating. Listen, the beat is getting stronger, baby. It's getting stronger. It's getting stronger. Oh, I'm heated up.